Hi, this is a little song you can do with your primary school children, early years, foundation stage children for un poco de español. It's called Buenos Días, which means good morning, and it goes like this. Buenos días in the morning, buenas tardes, hola, buenas noches, go to bed, morning española. Okay, one more time. Buenos días in the morning, buenas tardes, hola, buenas noches, go to bed, morning española. So just go through those words. Buenos días is good morning, buenas tardes is good afternoon, hola is hello, buenas noches is go to bed, and española, bueno. Buenos días, because days are masculine, so it's buenos with an O, and buenas tardes, because afternoons, tardes are feminine, so buenas with an A, and buenas noches with an A, because noche is feminine. Okay, I hope you enjoy the song.